Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will show you how to fix WinRAN load driver failed error that majority of the users are facing while jailbreaking with the WinRAN Windows tool. As you know, the WinRAN jailbreak is a new tool that lets you jailbreak with the PaleRAN and TechRAN without USB on a Windows PC. This video is about fixing WinRAN load driver failed error only and not about how to download and use WinRAN tool. For that, I already have uploaded a detailed video. You can get the link from the description. Let's dive into the solution. This solution requires you to disable driver signature enforcement on your Windows PC. Before I show you the solution, hit the like button right now so that YouTube push this video to the users facing the same problem. And if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. When you face this issue, first thing you need to do is to run jailbreak process again. This is the new tool and in the beta stage. Sometimes the exploit fails to run and when you try it again, it goes well. But if you face the issue again, then you need to disable driver signature enforcement to fix WinRAN load driver failed error. Let's do this. Go to the start option and type cmd and open the terminal as administrator by right clicking on that. Once it's open, set the directory to the C drive. As you can see here, it's currently set to the system32. Type cd ... and hit enter. Then again do the same and you will be at the C drive on the terminal. Once you are here, now type this command bcdedit space / set space test signing space on and hit enter. The link to the commands is below in the description as well. As you can see here, after the command has run, it's stating the operation completed successfully. Now you need to restart the computer. It's a must to do. Restart and come back. Here I am after the restart. Here you can see it's showing me the test mode here at the bottom after I run the command. Don't worry, you can revert these settings after the jailbreak once WinRAN load driver failed error is resolved and your device is successfully jailbroken with it. Now let's try to jailbreak again with WinRAN after Windows driver signature enforcement is disabled. Before that, if you have made this far in the video, hit the like button, also the subscribe button. Open the WinRAN app again, connect your device, select the jailbreak option you want to install, either TechRAN or PaleRAN. Then hit the fix driver button and when this completes, proceed with the next process. You can see at the top, my device is still in the DFU mode since the error occurred. I did not force reboot, therefore it's detecting my device in the DFU mode. And if your device is not in the DFU mode, you have to get it into it on the next process. Hit the next button. Here again, if you see error, do not worry, run the process again. As I mentioned earlier, it's a new tool and in the beta stage, sometimes the exploit doesn't run correctly. As you can see on the second attempt, the jailbreak process is now completed successfully. Now to revert the changes you made, you can run this command on the screen. This is guys how to fix WinRAN load driver failed error by disabling driver signature enforcement on the Windows PC. Let me know in the comments below if you successfully have solved this error.